Modern-day Americas were just an unexplored land before some centuries. But most scientists believe that the people in the Americas existed some 20,000 years back, and various theories tend to explain the emergence of early people in the Americas. And today in this video, we are explaining some of the predominant theories that explain the presence of early humans in the Americas. But before beginning, you can also visit folkbuzzdaily.com and find these related contents and current issues explained educationally. And also make sure to subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Many theories existed about how people first got to the Americas, but there are three predominant theories that are often considered, and we are discussing them today. The oldest theory among others is the Bering Land Bridge, which made around here for some 50 years, some time back. It is the most common theory and also the most widespread one. Basically, the idea of this theory is that during the Ice Age around 13,500 years ago, lower water levels created a frozen bridge of land, and small groups of Stone Age hunters walked across a frozen bridge called Beringia. The hunters are said to come chasing steppe bison, woolly mammals, and other large mammals from the inland frozen corridor, which lies in modern-day eastern Siberia and western Alaska. The hunters eventually established a thriving culture that spread across two continents to the tip of South America. Lately, the Atlantic theory and Oceania theory are well versed more recently in the last couple of decades. Due to lack of evidence, the Bering Land Bridge theory is diminished in the current days. However, Atlantic theory and Oceania theory took over the long-existing Bering Land Bridge theory, with little or some sorts of evidences. Atlantic theory theorizes that the early people traveled to North America with the help of boats. Yes, with boats. The boats made out of vessels reproduced with Stone Age tools, supplies, and everything available. And people traveled from the Western Europe coast of modern-day Spain, Portugal, and France to the eastern coastal area of the Americas. The strong evidence to support this theory is the painting of Solutarian people spearing the halibut fish with their spearheads. These spearheads paintings found on the western coast of Europe is identical to the spearheads found in the Americas. These similarities made scientists predict the existence of the Atlantic theory. Another theory that tends to explain the origin of early people in the Americas is Oceania theory, also called Pacific crossing theory. Similar to the Atlantic theory, this theory also explains people coming to Americas by Stone Age boats from Asia and Australia, crossing the long Pacific Ocean to land in South America and moving northward. The main evidence of this theory is the Monte site in Chile. The reason for this is that this site has been verified by archaeologists as the oldest known human site in the Americas, predating the oldest Clovis site by at least 1,000 years. This theory shows the possibility of early people crossing the Bering Land Bridge much earlier than previously supposed and traveled towards the south thereafter. Also, it portrays the possibility of early people coming to South America, crossing the Pacific Ocean and traveling towards the north. All these theories existed predicts the way early humans got to the Americas. New discoveries are being made day by day, and newer theories and proposals are being proposed regularly. And that's all for today. What do you think about this video? Please let us know in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more future updates. And you can also visit folkbuzzdaily.com to find more topics and contents you are interested in. We will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay safe.